Hi all, welcome to the Tasty Affairs. Today I'm going to show you a carrot dessert, a very familiar dessert which is also known as Gajar ka halwa. So it's made of these grated carrots, so you need a good amount of grated carrots, then some clarified butter or ghee, some chopped nuts. I have almonds and cashews. And for this preparation I'm using condensed milk. So the original preparation is made with powdered sugar and milk and cooking it over time, but instead of that, to make it quick, I'm using condensed milk. So let's start making our gajar ka halwa or carrot dessert. So let's start. I have started the process by adding quarter cup of ghee, clarified butter. So I'm just going to. So this is a dessert, so you cannot, reduce the amount of ghee. You need to follow the same. You need exactly quarter cup ghee or little more than that. Don't reduce it. So let's add the nuts that we have. So I have taken both cashew nut and almonds. You can even add pistachios, that's fine. So slightly roast them. So you can see slight browning on the nuts. So this time I'm going to add all that grated carrot in. Okay, now mix and saute the carrot with the ghee and the nuts nicely. So mix it. So we have to basically roast this, so that nicely the carrot gets coated with the ghee and starts smelling fantastic. So after sauteing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the heat and then I'm going to close this and cook for around 3 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the lid. See, nice smell now coming of the carrot and the ghee and everything, but we still need to cook little more. So just mix it one more time and you have to close and cook this, again on medium flame for about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes now. So let's remove the lid. Wow, so looks like the carrot has cooked. So just give it a mix. So now you can put the flame little above medium at this stage. So I'm going to add the condensed milk. So I'm not going to add any additional sugar because condensed milk has some sugar. So if you need more sugar, please go ahead and add some sugar. So I'm going to add around half a cup of condensed milk or half a tin of condensed milk. After adding condensed milk, so mix the carrot and the condensed milk nicely. So at this stage, so we need the condensed milk and carrot to be cooked, but before allowing it to start cooking, I'm going to add some saffron stands. So some saffron and followed by half a teaspoon of, you can add around half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. That's the fresh cardamom powder. Mix it nicely. You don't need to close and cook anymore. So I'm going to cook till the milk, the carrot absorbs all that condensed milk and will come into a grainy texture. So after sauteing for around 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes, see, we have come to this consistency here. So you can see the ghee has started to ooze out and you will be able to see, mold this together. See, bring it together. See, that's the consistency. So which means our carrot dessert or gajar ka halwa is ready. So here we have a wonderful, very tasty and simple carrot dessert or gajar ka halwa. See, it looks very scrumptious. All good things, easy to make. So do try out. Enjoy this on special days. Keep watching The Tasty Affairs and please subscribe. Thank you.